My specialty for helping this event get going is to get the teams through tech inspection, where we're making sure the airplanes are all legal per the rules and they're safe to fly. Each checklist is about 4 pages for each class. We're checking the team ID, we're checking to make sure that it's got a steerable landing gear for taxiing on the ground, all the controls are tight, that the control surfaces are well attached, that the wings are well attached, we don't want anything falling apart. And then we get into each class. For instance, there's requirements on regular class. The tennis ball seating for the passengers, quote unquote, has to be a certain arrangement. They have this special power limiter they have to have installed correctly that limits them to 1,000 watts. They've got to have switches in a safe location away from the propeller and that type of thing. Micro class, they have to fit in a certain size box, so we're testing them to make sure they fit in the box. And then they have to assemble them, check it out, make sure that they've got their payload is arranged a certain way. And then advanced class, we're checking to make sure that they've got their payload release set up correctly per the rules. We're checking that their payloads meet the rules. We're checking that they have a working video system, FPV video. We're making sure they have a working telemetry system. And one thing we check on all classes is the teams turn in drawings that gives the dimensions of their aircraft, and they're supposed to build us what they draw. But we hold the teams to a 1/4 inch tolerance. If they gave us a drawing, it's supposed to be 100 inch wingspan. It's got to be within a 1/4 inch of 100 inches to pass. Otherwise, they got to fix it or do what's called a design change or an engineering change request, and they can change the dimension, but it costs a little bit of money, just as if it was a real airplane going through a design change. It costs the company some money.